हेलो नमस्कार, खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Dr. Sanwaz Alam, Assistant Professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of macroeconomics and economics for managers. Today's topic is gross domestic product. Meaning of gross domestic products. Gross domestic product is the total value of goods and services produced in a country within a financial year. GDP is measured over the specific time frame. GDP as an economic indicator is used worldwide to show the economic health of the country. For low income or middle income country or high income country, GDP growth is essential to meet the growing need of the population. Hence, the gross domestic product growth rate of India is an essential indicator of the country economic development and progress. Besides measuring the health of the economy and helping the government is framing policy. The gross domestic product growth rate number also useful for investor in better decision making related to investment. Different country has different method to calculate gross domestic product. Let us take a close look at the growth domestic product growth rate calculation in India. The Central Statistical Office or CSO is responsible for compiling the data for calculating GDP. It is aggregate the GDP data by coordinating with several federal or state-run agencies. Once the data collections process is complicated, the task of calculating the GDP begins. There are two methods to arrive at the GDP numbers. For the calculation of GDP at factor cost, data is taken from eight sectors, namely agriculture, mining, manufacturing, forestry, fishing, electricity, and gas supply, construction, trade, hotel, transport, communication, financing, real estate, and insurance, and business service and community, social and public services. For the calculation of expenditure-based GDP, all the spending incurred on physical goods and services are added that include consumer spending, government spending, business investment spending, and net exports. Gross national product GNP, gross national product, is an estimate of total value of all the final products and services turned out a given period by the means of production owned by country residents. GNP is calculated by taking the sum of personal consumption expenditure, private domestic investment, government expenditures, net exports, and income earned by residents from the overseas investment, minus income earned within the domestic economy by the foreign residents. Next, export represent the differences between what a country export minus any imports for goods and services. Gross national product is related to another important economic measure called gross domestic products GDP, which take into account all output produced within the country border regardless of who owns the means of production. GNP starts with GDP adds resident investments income from overseas investment and subtract foreign residents investment income earned within a country. GNP measure the total monetary value of the output produced by a country residents. Therefore, any output produced by foreign residents within the country border must be excluded in calculation of GDP. Any output produced by a country residents out of its border must be counted. GDP does not include the intermediary goods and services to avoid double counting since they are already incorporated in the value of final good and services. Thank you.